Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Charming Buffalo. We're trying to show you guys Buffalo, New York and its places. Today we're at Hamburg. We're just pulling in, and as you can see, a beautiful place right in front of us. So the left side is for the tag holders, as I spoken before on my other video at State Harbor Park. So this is the regular parking side. I did not see any parking tickets or something in this side. So yes, you are definitely free to park here. This is the main view of this place. It's a very quiet and very nice place to be with your family and friends. And this if you go around this time, I think I went there afternoon, like around 4 o'clock, 4:15 ish. So that's how it looks like. And as you can see, those are not running right now, but just imagine when they're running. I'm gonna let you guys hear the sound of the wave. That way you guys can understand. And the water here is a little bit dirtier. It's not that much clean, but if you go down in the water, then you can definitely spend some gorgeous time with your family and friends, and especially your kids, because this place is for the kids, because there is not so much people around, and it's very quiet and great place for the kids. I'm gonna let you guys hear the sound. Now I'm gonna show you guys the other side of the park, which is the right side. So you're gonna see some stones in here, and also obviously this is the boat launching side, and that's where you guys gonna park if you have boats and have the permit. This is the playground on top, and that's the way you guys gonna get out of this place, or the exit point. So as you can see, it's a very gorgeous place, very quiet place. People are enjoying their time in their jet ski, or I saw other people are launching their boat in with their friends and families. I even saw people just driving their jet ski, like riding their jet ski by themselves, and just not with other people. They're alone. So yes, if you are trying to spend some time, obviously you can come in and you can get on the water and spend some time, enjoy the beauty of this place. Now I'm trying to show you guys how it looks like from the top of the playground and the sitting place I was talking about. So right now I'm on top of this place, and as you guys can see, it's more beautiful, more gorgeous than, you know, than the lower side. So you guys can see the whole place from the top. Like if you guys are on top of this hill, I would say, or the playground. And this is the playground. There are some sitting areas too. It's a gorgeous playground, and all the seats are dedicated to someone. I don't know really what's the story behind them, but it's really, they are really dedicated, these people. Whoever they are, I think they're very they did very good stuff for the community and for the society. So hats off to them for their contribution, and we will try to be more contributed to the society, because that's the way we will be remembered if we can do something. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care, be safe, bye bye.